Hello! Thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make another video to share with you my new insights for you to build on your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that the information I'm going to share with you, all the information should be used as guidance information only, and anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own research and take my information as input to your own strategy. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do today is I will write down 4 tickers on the whiteboard here for you to see in terms of which companies have value if you think about going long-term value growth, or if you're thinking about day trading. I think the companies that I will share with you will be valuable, not for all, but for most. Alright, so let's get started. Ticker number 1 is we all are pretty aware that the airline industries have been impacted significantly from this COVID-19 pandemic. However, given that we're in the month of August, I feel like the economy is beginning to pick up. Look at the S&P and the Dow Jones. It's taken a V-shape back up. The economy is up and running. However, we know that airlines are still experiencing a downtime. However, the fact that now there's policies in place with airlines, I feel like people are beginning to be more comfortable to fly out now. I mean, with the mask on, you can sit down and fly with the ventilation systems in airlines, right? And most airlines are pretty similar in terms of its airplane, right? Most of the parts really come from Japan, if you think about it. A few parts come from different parts of the world as well. Why is American Airlines a value stock right now? Well, to me, the fact that it's only like in the $13 range, I feel like it's a great opportunity to park your money there and just let it grow to what it's initially lost, right? I mean, prior to the COVID-19, share price was hovering at, mid 30s, and it's been just trending down because of the COVID-19. But that doesn't mean that this company will not grow back to its normal state. But I feel like American Airlines is a great opportunity, maybe in a short-term day trading style as well. Let's say if you look at future S&P day or Dow Jones, if you notice that it's going to be a good run day, then that means you can park your money day trade the airlines. But for me, I think that long-term investing would be the easiest way to go, the highest probability to gain on positive proceeds, and American Airlines can take you there. And just remember, this company is very big, and of course it will get government support if it ever needs to get bailed out. And we know that American Airlines has a big docket station all across the United States with its airlines. Okay, so I've written ticker SAVE, so that stands for company Spirit Airlines. Right, for me, the fact that the share price is hovering at $17 right now, and it's dropped prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, this to me is also a value investment stock company. Because why? People are looking for very cheap deals to fly now, given that it's very hard to be able to spend money just on services like flying. People are becoming more thrift with their money and frugal, so for that reason people are relying on companies like Save to look for big deals to see if it's a good opportunity to fly. So to me, it's just based on demand right now, and people don't really care about going with the high-end quality service airline right now, right? To be treated great. I mean, you get like food service and all that during an airline flight, but now I think people really don't have a mindset for that. It's more of just getting from point A to point B, and I think that's why Spirit Airlines is an opportunity for you to bank on. But the fact that it's at $17, I foresee it likely going up to the mid 30s easily, at least 100% in value. Alright, so I'm going to go over to the next one now. So this ticker is in the same sector out of the 3 tickers I've shared with you so far, and this is LUV. That's for Southwest Airlines. So why consider investing in Southwest Airlines? Of all the airline companies, To date in the United States, Southwest Airlines has the safest finances, meaning that its balance sheet, it has the least amount of debt, and its balance sheet continues to grow year over year, so that looks like a consistent trend. You can think of Southwest Airlines similar to Apple in the electronics industry because of their strong, robust balance sheet, and that's what positions companies to do very well and establish its economies of scale to continue to grow. And Southwest is one of the companies that will continue to position itself to become successful. And based on a lot of the marketing that we see now, at least for me, I've noticed a lot of good deals with Southwest Airlines where you can do very cheap deals to fly out now. And there's a lot of policies in place that Southwest has put out there for policies such as the COVID-19, how to fly knowing that we have a pandemic in place. The fact that we're in the month of August, this share price may go up, and we don't know if there may be risk implications. Let's say if the infection rate for COVID-19 begins to change in the months where we're headed towards fall and winter time, that all may be dependent, but we can observe and reassess to see how it impacts these companies, right? But the fact that it's taken such a big hit, I'm thinking in terms of the bounce back coming up. Now, those are 3 U.S. airline tickers I have shared with you. I wanted to share with you an additional airline ticker before I go to the last one, is an international airlines ticker that does provide dividends as well. And the fact that what I'm going to share with you, its share price is so low, it's great to capitalize on that, and that's Singapore Airlines. That ticker goes by SINGY. The dividends for this company is close to like 5%, and the fact that the share price has been plummeting down to close to like $5, and where we've recently seen it trend upward, I feel like the fact that you're getting passive income with the 5% to what you invest in, as well as potential share price value increase on a company like this, you can gain on compound interest as well as the passive income. So that's why Singapore Airlines is a great investment opportunity outside of the United States if you're thinking holistically. And the fact that Singapore Airlines, this is like the main airlines that operates its business functions all across the country as well as the Asian markets, it's positioning itself to do well, and I think this is a very good value add investment into your investment portfolio. And now the last ticker I wanted to share with you, okay, as a daily special, is a ticker by MACK. Okay, now this is unrelated to the other 4 tickers I've given to you, but this is a company in the biotech sector. It's called Merrimack Pharmaceuticals. Just recently on Friday, the share price had jumped up to 19%, and this company focuses on the cancer research, coming up with drugs in preclinical and clinical trials, and it's doing a better good for society. But I'd say just continue to monitor a company like Merrimack Pharmaceuticals because it has potential to perhaps go up in its share price value. Currently it's hovering at like $4.30, but for me, I think it can go beyond the $5 quite easily. So if you're a day trader, you can potentially capitalize on a company like MACK. So those are all the 5 tickers I wanted to share with you, all in a bundle today, and I hope that you find this video valuable. Thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Thank you.